Hey everybody, I hope everyone is well. This video I'm just going to be doing a rundown on some new products that I purchased. I will be giving you my thoughts and review on the new e.l.f. foundation and the new NYX buttermilk blushes. So here I'm just prepping the skin, I'm moisturizing, I'm color correcting, and I am priming with the e.l.f. Primer Grip Primer. And let me tell you, I love the Primer Grip Primer. It is amazing. But here's the star of the show. This, you guys, is the Soft Glam Satin Foundation by e.l.f. My thoughts on this foundation, it's very buildable. This is a very buildable foundation. It says satin foundation. That's everything they say about this foundation is true. I love it. I love the foundation. I love the coverage, especially the coverage. Look at that. I love it. I feel like I didn't even need to color correct because the coverage was there. It was covering. And it's long lasting. I worn this all day the other day and it did just fine as long as you know how to prep your skin, depending on your skin type. Your foundation should last for most of the day. This comes in a variety of shades and it is very hydrating. Is not too much, but it's not too little. I love it. I love this foundation. If y'all can get your hands on it, please do. It was not expensive. I think I paid $15 for it, I believe. But yeah, the e.l.f. foundation was it was pretty good. I was impressed. I just wish the packaging was a little, for e.l.f. I feel like packaging could have been, a little more pizzazz, but the product was just great. And here in this part, I'm just using the LA Girl concealer under my eyes, around my mouth, down my nose, and on my head, y'all. And then with a damp beauty blender, I'm blending all that out. So my final thoughts and comments on the foundation. I love it. It shocked me because I didn't think I was gonna like it that much. I'm not used to e.l.f. having a foundation, so when I heard about it, I was like, I'll try it. But I'm glad I did. I will definitely buy this again in the future, and I give it a 10 out of 10, y'all. Here is the Huda Beauty contour. Don't have it in front of me, but it's for contouring, as you can see. So I'm applying it around my face, cheekbone area, jawline, on the sides of the bridge of my nose there, and then with a damp beauty blender, again, I will be blending all that out. I think blending is the most important part of the whole makeup process. If you don't blend correctly, your makeup is not going to turn out the way you expect it to. With blending, you have to take your time. You just need to make sure there are no fine lines that are appearing. Everything needs to be like blurred out. And it's just something that takes practice. And that is Huda Beauty setting powder. This is like the like if you're able to get this stuff, I know it's a bit pricey, but this shit is I'm sorry for lame, but I love this setting powder. It is a game changer, y'all. But that's going to be applied where I have applied my LA Girl concealers, and this Colourpop contour powder I'm using where I had applied the Huda Beauty contour cream. So yep, anytime you put a liquid on your face, you want to make sure that you apply powder over top of it, just to set it. And here with my damp beauty blender again. I love my beauty blenders. I don't know, some makeup girls use brushes to blend out. I mean, sometimes I use brushes, but I love my beauty blender. I have like a collection of beauty blenders. Like, I just love them. Oh, here's another star of the show, y'all. This is the NYX Buttermilk Blush. And this is in the shade All the Butta. It's like a beautiful violet purple shade. Look at that. I love it. You already tell. Look at me. I already love it. Look at the pigment. Look at the color. Look at just the buttermilk finish. Look, I love this. I only was able to buy one. I ain't made of money, y'all. This ain't no swatch review. I ain't got all of them, but I was able to get one at least. So, but 10 out of 10 for the NYX blush. I love it. It's just it's beautiful to me. I just love it. Yeah. So you guys, all of the products I use in this video will be listed down below. If you have any questions, concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Okay, I will gladly respond. And until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.